2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, bucket seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.